Yesterday we witnessed a pantomime in Dáil in which Gerry Adams went into the house and he told untruth after untruth after untruth. Today I had to address that. I did address that to him. The crux of this matter is that we have the man who is the third leader of the third largest party in Dáil. He is refusing to cooperate with a major murder investigation. He took me, myself and my brother to meet a senior IRA leader who he termed, he asked to carry out an investigation. This man, he told us, and he has recorded last week on several radio shows saying, was a trusted friend and confidant. He asked that individual to carry out an investigation. Gerry Adams must give that individual's name to gardaí Síochána. It is crucial to this murder investigation. This man knows the people that murdered my father. This man knows where those people are. He told us at the meeting we had with Gerry Adams that those individuals are still alive. We asked to meet those individuals. He said they were not prepared to meet with us. So Gerry Adams has information that is crucial to a murder investigation. If this was Micheál Martin or Brendan Howell or Brendan Kenny, the media would be all over this. Nobody would be taking this line down. But why do we have different standards applying to Gerry Adams?